scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this are actually super fast once you know the trick. We will use the fundamental theorem to find our missing value quickly. Start by setting up the fundamental theorem of calculus, which links the integral of our derivative to the change in the function values between 0 and 2. This is essential. Next, we rearrange our equation to solve for the unknown value of f of 0. That means f of 0 equals f of 2 minus the integral of the derivative. Finally, plug in 1.572 and subtract the integral. This calculation leads directly to the final answer, option C. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rushing. Trust given values and check your steps.